This Haitian green seasoning, also known as epis, is about to transform all of your meals. So first of all, I am going to prepare my vegetables that I'll be blending down. So I've got about a handful of parsley, some spring onions, some garlic cloves. You want about 3 to 5 of these. I've also got about a quarter of a medium brown onion, and then I'm also going to roughly chop 1 medium green bell pepper and a bit of thyme. Now you want to chuck this all in your blender. We chop them down just a little bit to make it easier for it to blend. And on top of that, you want to add, for seasoning and for flavour, 1 chicken stock cube, some black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, and the juice of half a lime. Then we add about a quarter cup of water and half a cup of oil, and then you're going to cover your food processor and just blend this down until you get a slightly rough texture similar to what you see here. Take this away and store it in a jar in the fridge. It's a super fresh and delicious marinade that really transforms so many meals. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.